y'all. Me my new friend, Jubilee.
Hola, senor. ¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasta? That means what's happening?
Good, Meatwad, good.
Jubilee, my new amigo.
Well, nice to meet you, Jubilee.
Hola, I'm Nappy, the knapsack.
Hola, I'm Mappy, the map.
Hola, I'm Gypsy, the GPS.
Don't know why we need a GPS when we already have a map.
Well, they added me when you got old and had that scare with the heart attack.
Oh, sure, I know.
Yes, remember when you got all yellow and parchmenty
why you're still
looking
here.
and...
This
Okay,
bothers me.
guys. Okay.
See? I got me a lot of amigos now. Frylocko.
Yeah, I see that.
El Blanco assholo. Yeah, I said it.
Hey, your friend, Jubilee, is she, does she put out or
No,
what?
no.
It's just a question!
No.
There's not one bad word in that question!